What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So we're going to talk about Shiba Inu in this video, obviously. And the reason why we're going to talk about this is because I've been receiving some comments saying Shiba is dead, Shiba's over, you need to sell all your Shiba now. Shiba will never be what you think it's going to be. It's never going to reach $1. It's never going to reach a penny. It's never going to reach a portion of a penny. It's never going to lose a zero from where it's at now, right? People say that it's going to gain more zeros, which it could possibly gain more zeros in the short term, but it would be pointless. It would be stupid for you to sell your Shiba Inu right now before everything is established. There's so much out there that gives you so much positivity with Shiba Inu that it makes no freaking sense why you would decide to sell something that you can buy millions of coins for so cheap, right? If you're spending $200, why you would give up, basically that potential gain off of $200. And $200 may be a lot for some people. It may be a lot for some people, but just understand what that $200 could be in the long term, right? Have you ever turned $200 into $2 million? Probably not. There's most people in the world that have not done that. There's probably a select few that have done that, but not many people. So we're going to talk about Shiba Inu in this video. Make sure you guys hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more videos like this one. I know there's 62% of you guys that are not subscribed. So if you are one of those people, feel free to hit the subscribe button. You probably watched like 5 of my videos and feel as though I do provide some sort of quality content, or you just came to hit the dislike button. I don't know. There's a lot of people that do that. Literally in like the first 5 seconds, I get like 5 dislikes and then it gets overtaken by likes. But you always get those people that always dislike, right? I see it. You guys don't see it. I see it in my analytics. Anyways, let's get into Shiba Inu here. So currently the price has decreased today. So it's at 0.00002985 cents, right? That's where we're standing at. We're down 6.75% today. You could see that it did drop down. A lot of crypto is pulling back today after seeing a little bit of a rally yesterday. And the good thing that we can take from this is that we have a lot of volume, right? Another good thing that we can take from this is the typical hold time. People are holding on to this longer and longer, means that, you have less coins that are sitting out there, right? People believe in where this can go. That's why you see 62 days or 61 days of hold time. That is like 19 days away from the hold time of what Bitcoin is actually at of 80 days. I feel like this is going to surpass that, and people are going to be holding this on average for 100, 200, 300 days as we do see everything go into like the full stages, fully developing, right? So currently the market cap is at 16.4 billion. You can see the popularity is 11th. It's still, I believe Matic is right above it, and you have Dogecoin above Matic. So it's not really sitting pretty. It's sitting okay on the popularity chart, but it's not really sitting the best place it could be because it was up a lot higher, overtaking Doge and getting to higher and higher levels when it comes to market cap. Now, one thing I wanted to point out here before we get into the potential and why it would really be stupid to sell your Doge your Shiba Inu, is because like we look at something like this, right? There's so many different, maybe articles or, Reddit streams or Reddit forums and just information out there that talks about a burn rate, talking about burning Shiba Inu in different ways, right? Taking the coins that it has, decreasing those coins, essentially increasing the price, right? There's so many different ways that people are putting that out there. And this is just the beginning stages that where people are just putting it out there. And then you have people like me that's creating something that will actually burn Shiba Inu by the person that's talking about it, right? I'm talking about my video. If you guys want to check out that video, that link will be in the cards. It burns Shiba Inu every single month. Currently, we're around $350 that we're going to be burning off, which is not a crazy amount. But as time goes on, it will burn off more and more. And there will be more and more things that are laid out there that will help burn more and more coins, right? So here, it's asking a question: is it true that 1% of Shiba Inu, the crypto, is burnt every single day or burned daily? No, that's not the case. However, it could be possible that that could be the case. 1% of 500 trillion, you have roughly 8 billion coins after 3 years, which is great, right? And you can check that math if you wanted to. I didn't check the math, but it would be great to have that little bit of coins to understand that you're burning 1% of Shiba Inu every single day. that would be, trillions of coins, right? That would be that would be a lot, right? There'll be trillions of coins that you're actually burning off, and then you're burning off 1%. As you do get lower and lower, the 1% that you're burning off gets less and less, because 1% of a lesser number is a lesser number, if that makes sense. But the point of this is really to understand that something like this, just an idea of things being burned, gets out there. Well, now people are developing something to burn Shiba Inu. Then you also have a video that's created by me. It burns Shiba Inu. You have a playlist that you have that burns Shiba Inu. You have games that are on the metaverse that burn Shiba Inu. There's so many different ways that things will get burned. And I hope that we establish all of this in 2022 to understand where this will be in the next 3 years, right? It could be absolutely huge. So let's actually check that. Check some information here. So I have my potential spreadsheet where you have the 589 max supply there. Then if you look at things broken down by quarters, instead of looking at it broken down by years, let's say that we decide we're going to physically burn off 30% per quarter that you have here, 30% of the supply per quarter. Now, how is that going to be possible, right? That's like 90 days that you're going to burn off 30%, right? I think it's definitely possible as long as you do see more and more burn rates that are coming on. So let's just say that is the case. It would take you 5 years to get to a level of 569 billion coins, which would give you an easy way of getting to 4 cents. Now, this is basically saying that the market cap will stay at about $20 billion market cap. All of these prices are based off of what the market cap is and what the supply is. So it gives you a price based on what you're looking at the current supply with the current market cap. And you're basically going to go down the list and say, okay, it's losing a zero here. By the third quarter, or by a third year, second quarter, it will actually lose another zero, right? You'll see it lose a zero quick, and then you'll see it lose another zero very fast. And then as you go down to 5 years, you get to a level to where people can get comfortable around 4 cents. As long as you're holding on to what you had for 5 years, you're getting all the way up to this level, right? And it has further growth because the burn rate doesn't stop there at 5 years. The burn rate continues, right? If you're seeing that continue to go, right, you're looking at, quarter one of year 6, and now you're at 328, right? You're seeing it go all the way down to a level, let's say right here, where you're ending the quarter, adding a new quarter on, and you're now looking at 112 billion, which is the level to where Bitcoin, or not Bitcoin, Dogecoin is actually at, right? Somewhere around that 130 billion supply mark, right? So if you actually bring this down and just say, okay, what will the price actually be there? Well, at $20 billion market cap, that's a $17 17-cent price, almost 18-cent price, right? That's insane to say that you can possibly get to those levels. So I think it would be absolutely stupid to sell Shiba Inu now and not understand what it's all about, because this could be a very low price. You could also see more low prices, right? Where you average in and add more. But if you're looking at this as a whole, this has so much potential that when we do establish a massive burn rate and we burn off plenty of coins, there's going to be a lot of people that take profit during those times, right? And you're going to see more and more get burned off. As long as you hold through all of those times, like it's a mutual fund or index fund, you're going to see something massive here. And that's my opinion. It's all my opinion. No way do you need to follow it. I'm just giving you my opinion on how I feel about selling Shiba Inu right now. And I think it wouldn't be the smartest decision because you don't know what it is. It's like what they talked about. Have you ever watched The Social Network, where they talked about you don't put ads on it right now because you don't even know what it is, what it's going to be, right? You don't try and monetize something if you don't know what it's going to be. You don't try and get out of this position if you don't know what it's going to be, because then you miss out on a huge opportunity that a ton of people may have talked you out of, or a couple of people may have talked you out of. And now you're looking at it on the sideline, just like maybe you looked at Dogecoin because those same people talked you out of Dogecoin, even though those people that talked you out of getting out of this position has a stake in this position. So it's funny to me to see that, where they're like, oh, you know what? I don't believe that it can make it there, but I do hold 2 million just in case. Okay, so you don't believe it, but you have a just in case thought. That means that you have a slight thought that it could get there. You have belief that it could get there. So, but you're saying you don't believe it. Like, that's what I don't understand. Anyways, I think it would be stupid to sell Shiba Inu right now, even though it is decreasing. I think it's always to a point to where it makes sense to add on more. Dollar cost average down, wait for the market to really run. And do I think it's over then? No, I think it's just really getting started. So guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more videos like this one. Also, make sure you check out some of the links down below. If you guys agree with me, feel free to let me know in the comment section below. If you disagree with me, I read every comment. Even if you do send something negative, I read every comment. The problem that I do have is with all of the spam that goes on. I can't remove it. Every time I even remove it, they add another comment in there, which is just ridiculous. How do they know that I deleted the comment and they re-add another comment? YouTube needs to fix that. So just know if it doesn't have a check mark down there by my name and it's not highlighted, it's not me. So don't respond to it. Don't think that I'm taking any money from you, because I will never do that. I will probably give out money before I ever take money. So anyways, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more videos like this one. I'm going to get out of here and I'll catch you guys in the next video.